Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make your Steam profile private on a PC in Windows. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. To make your profile private, open Steam and then click on your profile name near the top right of the page. On the list, choose View My Profile and then click on the Edit Profile button at the top right of this page. On here, click on Privacy Settings from the menu on the left. You can now use the drop-down box next to where it says My Profile at the top to set it to private. You could alternatively customize which elements of your profile you want private individually, for example just game details. That's how to make your Steam profile private on a PC in Windows. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your Windows PC. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.